So this is in a quick and easy tip for you guys if your After Effects textile tool wasn't working properly, right? If you had a same issue or if you have different issue, please leave a comment. So head over to my computer screen and let's show you how you can fix. So in order to fix that problem, you just need to simply go to your character and then reset your characters. And as you can see, the character is resetted right now. So this is fixed problem. So please leave a comment, and if you have a same issue, please leave a comment and subscribe for more. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.